Hello and welcome. My name is Melissa and this is Pencil, Paper, and Beyond. Our read-along for today is Don't Push the Button, a Christmas adventure, written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. Whoa, whoa, whoa! You know Larry's rule. Don't push the button. Santa's on his way. You don't want to end up on the naughty list, do you? Gosh, it sure is pretty though. Psst, I don't think any elves are watching. Maybe give the button one teensy push. Golly, you turned me green like a Christmas tree. Push it again. Now I really look like a Christmas tree. Okay, that's enough. Push the button 2 times to make me purple again. Yikes! I look like a candy cane. Push the button 3 times. Hey, watch it, buddy. Quick, shake the books to get rid of these elves. Oh no! All that shaking made it snow. Try pushing the button super hard. Hey you, that's my nose. I can see Santa. Quick, clap your hands to get me back to normal. Larry, I'm so glad I found you. I need you and your friend to help start my sleigh. Can you help me start Santa's sleigh? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Push! Merry Christmas! Thanks for reading along. If you've enjoyed this, please like and subscribe to the page to be notified of new read-alongs, including AAC read-alongs coming soon.